till you can't stand anymore, and yank. I'll be doing handstands till I drain the tank. Aw, fuck it, bro, I'm wrecked, man. I'm up next on the keg stand, upside down till it's inside out. Here to show you folks what it's all about now. Who here's got my legs, man? I'm up next on the keg stand. 1, 2, 3 kegs on the floor, threw another barrel up in my room, that makes 4. Who's got a ball tap walking through the door? Q's coming through and he brought 2 more. Man sick when he's 6 kegs kick. If I'm still on my feet, I'm gonna be illin' for sleep, with a line full of dudes trying to give me 5. So I'ma get cleaned up while my bitch arrives. I told the neighbors I'm planning a little shindig. No, I'm not sure when it starts, but it'll end big. House torn apart, why the hell do I rent things? I guess I get a new carpet at one of them 10 things. I guess it's just one of them men things. People I don't know, I expect them to dent things. Unless you wanna clean this here earthquake, don't say nothing, just burp until the earth shakes. That means pumping while I'm head over heels. I can't climb down